Hey guys, good morning. Well, today I plan on getting two new mufflers on my Cadillac. Putting on Cherry Bomb Salutes and two baffled tailpipes. So that'll be two of those going on each side of the exhaust system, on the left and of course on the right. And then here's the tips that'll go along with it. It's 2 1/4, and these are angled. And the interior of the salutes look like these as well, pretty much. I'm like, okay, that's gonna be interesting sounding. I'm leaving everything else stock except for the mufflers. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a cold start here and give you the sound effects of the cold start for stock. Oh, it took forever. And I'll go underneath to show you what I got. See the stocks pretty much just looks all wide. This is how the system looks there. Here's the other system, the other muffler. We'll get the angle right. It's really quiet. See, these are baffled too. But I'm actually gonna, hopefully it's loud, a little bit more deeper and louder than this. But yeah, that's a cold start. I'm going to go ahead and, I'm showing you the cold start. It's quiet, but when I get on the accelerator pedal full throttle, it does show off. If you hear that noise in the distance, that's somebody else blowing off their Honda or something. But it is quiet. But when I return with this video being edited, you'll have a cold start of the new mufflers. Again, they're Cherry Bomb Salutes. And basically they look like stainless steel. They look like stainless steel exhaust pipes, tips, but I think that they're supposed to be chrome. But I think they're stainless steel like what I'm putting on. So, just like I said, when I get back with the video here on the other part, you'll have a cold start of the new system. Hello everybody, I'm back. I'm going to do a cold start of my new exhaust system. Went to a Razorback muffler up in Fayetteville, Arkansas area, from where I'm located. For being $263 just to install these. It looks pretty good. They did a really good job. This is the first time looking under. Oh, they didn't really figure they would have went all the way around with that. I guess it's because it's just tips. I ain't really see that. But this is my first time looking underneath here at the tips, what they installed from the default. And I did notice also I got a leak at the rear differential. That's further down there. I can't get into it right now. But the way this sounds, it is nice. It's really nice. So, again, these are Cherry Bomb Salutes. That's what these mufflers here are. This is standard, that's how it was. But they did a pretty good job here, but they just tack weld the tips on. I guess it don't matter, but I figured they would have welded them on real good. But I guess they didn't. I did look at them. The placement of the chips looked pretty good. Look about default from what the regular ones were. Yeah, they just tack weld that there. They didn't really seal it. Well, they look like it did a pretty good job there. Other than, I guess, I'm not a welder, so I'm not sure. But the angle of it is done pretty good. So I'm happy with it, as long as it's not too messed up in the future as it heats up. I don't smell any issues, but I like the position of them, how they are. It's nice tips though. I'm gonna stand back here, do a cold start, auto start. No, hold it long enough. It's nice and throaty. You can't really rev it. I mean, it only goes to 3,000 RPM. Smells some clean exhaust. Sounds good though. I like the sound. It sounds real good. But yeah, it's nice and deep. It sounds like a race car because I went through a tunnel, or actually a mountain that was actually built. The interstate was built through an actual mountain. So going through that and hearing it with the windows rolled down, because I just drove today, being not bad of a hot day like that, it sounded real nice on the low RPMs. As it came down, I heard it pop. You know, it wasn't bad. But these Cherry Bomb Salutes are real good. I mean, I can get in and let you hear once it comes down a bit. It's too cold. I could, if I get, it'll be alright. It's about the best I better get. But I like the sound for the V6. My car is the 2013 Cadillac CTS Premium. And as you can tell, the interior, how it looks, the back. I got actual ones coming that should match the car better, of those headrests. Yeah, it's not bad back in here. Yeah, it's a nice little package. So it'll do it, but it's not even on. That's cool. I didn't know that. That's cool. Okay, so it wasn't even on. It was warmed up, but it wasn't even on. That's the best I'm gonna get right there. I put it in neutral earlier, just when I came home, and did that. Like, oh man, it's just completely rev limited completely. That sucks. But I understand with this high horsepower car. I mean, I was driving and I was going too fast. I was having too much fun earlier coming home. Where I went was an hour and a half away. So, I mean, I don't know really the difference besides this compared to the performance package. Pretty much the steering wheel and a spoiler. As you can tell, I don't have a spoiler, but I do got the steering wheel, so that's fine. I can always put a spoiler on. You can't put a steering wheel on it. Well, you can, but it's too much work compared to getting a spoiler on. My next thing I plan on doing, I got the aftermarket K&N cabin and engine air filter coming. So I have that, so I won't have to worry about those anymore. I'm going to plan on tinting the windows here. I'll do windows. The default is, I don't even know what the color of this default is. I mean, it's darker than the windows, but I thought about getting the match color. Maybe, I don't know. I think the state law here in Arkansas is 35%, I think, is the best. So, I mean, if that's what's standard default for OEM window tint, then I'll just match that. If not, I mean, I don't want to be too dark. I just want it kind of dark where at a distance you can't really see in. So, and if you look at the top, here, let's open that back up and look down through the top. I mean, you can't really see in too well, so it's pretty good tint for default, I think. But yeah, this thing has a bit more power. That I have noticed for sure. The car has a bit more power on it. So yeah, it's a pretty nice car. I really enjoy it. For a modern car, I like the color, the actual color of it. It's a nice color. I still gotta get my I'm not sure if somebody was online doing aftermarket headlights. They had the ones with the diamond LEDs, the curled, or should I get like a match? Because the OEM ones are like 400, maybe 450, I think, to match it. Reason being is because this one kind of leaks liquid, you know, coolant water condensation, and this one definitely does condensation. And I'm like, well, I mean, you can patch it up. I'm like, I'll just replace them. They'd be like $300 for a pair. But yeah, I like this car. I did wash it, but I did drive today too, so yeah, I get some more respect with this car than my 95 Jaguar XJ6 I had. Cops don't even worry about me too much. I mean, I drive 10 miles over the speed limit, and that's it. And I just cruise by them all the day long. Once I go over that 15, that's when they want to come catch me. I had one come by, oh, actually not come by, on the way leaving this area. I had one follow me. A regular police car follow me for, I'm gonna guess 15, 20 miles, all the way out of here to pretty much the next county. And like, it was a regular cop. I thought it was a sheriff, but it was a regular police officer. And that was bullshit. That's bullshit. I mean, they're gonna claim some district bullshit. They see my car finally, and they just wanted to pull me over for the first time. That's what they wanted to do. Check me out. But you know what? I'm clean. I ain't worried about shit. Shit. I ain't murdered nobody yet. No. But that's a beautiful car. I'm thinking about maybe something with the rims that started to look kind of small to me. Being stock 18s. I might do the 20s or 19s. I'm not sure. But it's a beautiful car. Just looking at her. I try to keep her clean as possible. Don't put any more scratches or dents on her. And yeah, I do worry about other people around her too. The only problems I got that I noticed is this right here. That's from I don't know who or what. And then I saw another one. Oh, this one down here when I washed it earlier. And it's just paint correction. That's all it is. It's very minor. I mean, I could probably do it myself if I know the matching paint exact. No, that somebody scratched it. Yeah, somebody scratched that. Previous owner did mess up the rims. Which one rim was it? Dang, one of these rims. Was it this back one? Yeah. There's some scuff marks on there. It sucks. It's alright though. She still looks beautiful and drives well. Yep, I got a real wheeled differential lake. I'm gonna have the dealership, Cadillac dealership, check it out next week. And then of course I got the warranty, so if it is something like that, which I'm sure it is, I'm getting it for free. I ain't doing nothing. I pay for the warranty. But yeah, I just wanted to show off my exhaust. And I'm happy with it. I do plan on putting a, actually I'll have to put two of them. Flow Pro F4 Twister racing style resonators. and that'll be a long time. I might change out the default X pipe for a good X pipe too, shorter one. I mean, that was expensive right there too. Just, I mean, if it was like $180, okay, but $263 just to put that two in, and then they tack welded to the ends. Like, that's some bullshit. Shit. I mean, they did mount them right. I see that. They did a good position of the mount. Yeah, they did a pretty good position. I like it. If you guys see any discrepancies you think about it, let me know. Yeah, that's what I did so far. I'm happy. This car is a good car. I mean, it's fast, I guess. I mean, it just don't have the pull. I'm used to a pull. It glides more. I mean, the Jag did glide too, but it pulled. Like the initial like stomp on the pedal, the inertia switch and that thing. I mean, this one is like, but the Jag. I'm sorry. I mean, it's a different car, newer model car, so. I know you can modify these things, but some people think you don't want to modify too much on this mechanically, or else you'll blow it up because of the V6, blah, blah, blah. But I think they're not really into what Cadillac can do, because Cadillac's not used to doing this type of stuff. This stuff been going on since only, what, 2008? The Cadillac CTS the way it is. So that's it, guys. That's my video right here. I'm going to go ahead and get this edited. Send me a like if you like this. And yeah, I probably talk too much, but so what? A lot of people don't. So I fill in for them. Thanks for viewing my video. Go ahead, thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see further videos. Appreciate it. Thank you.